Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I got this email from Twitch this morning. I'm not sure what all of it means, but I know the one that took the longest is minimum of 3 average viewers on 4 different days. I'm gonna finish eating lunch while going through all the data and figuring out what I want to share in this video. See you guys after work. Back from work, I just took a shower. A little background information, I even took some notes. This all started from an awesome divorce, not great at the time, but life is good now. Back then, I was splitting this mortgage with the ex-wife, but currently I am paying the mortgage all by myself. I'm not struggling for money, but I'm also not spending a lot of money. So when I was at GameStop getting ready to sell my Nintendo Switch, I'm selling everything. I just sold the K truck. The plan is to sell this house, move in with my parents for a little bit, and then buy another house. So I'm just trying to get rid of stuff that I probably won't need so I don't have to move it twice. But I was at the GameStop and I couldn't, I couldn't let it go. So I just took that as a sign from the universe to start Twitch streaming. And this was the original plan when I started YouTube in 2021 or 2022. I have to go back and check the dates. But back then, I wanted to hit all the social medias because that's what everybody is doing. Like you want to make a TikTok and an Instagram. And so I thought this was perfect time for Twitch streaming on January 21st. The game was Zelda Breath of the Wild. It would have only sold for $10 and I couldn't let it go. I really wanted to play it again and I did play it again. When I did, it was like very exciting. I was like addicted to video games again when I was like a kid, played a bunch back then. I remember not staying up all night, but I would definitely stay a little bit past my bedtime now. And I'm like, oh shoot, it's like midnight or 2 a.m. I need to go to sleep. So Breath of the Wild was pretty awesome. We got a couple of viewers and it was a lot of, hey, it's nice seeing somebody streaming like one of their favorite video games from 13 years ago. Then February 10 to 17, it was Overwatch. A buddy of mine from dental school, for the past 5-10 years, he would periodically hit me up. He like, hey, you should play Overwatch with me. And I've just like made excuses and kind of brushed it off. I really wanted to, but it was pretty busy with the first marriage. And back then I also just started the YouTube. So I was just so focused on making videos and trying to fix this house that I didn't really have time to sit down and play video games. But as we're getting ready to sell and have a little downtime right now, I'm like, yeah, man, just started Twitch streaming. So let's try the Overwatch. The Overwatch was probably the least amount of views. I'm not sure why. Maybe that community is just not as engaging, or I think I was just not a good Overwatch player. And the MVP is POE, Path of Exile. Another buddy I was playing Diablo 4 with hit me up recently. So this was March 4th. And he was like, hey, the new league is starting. You should play with us. So same thing. My original intent for this was to play video games with people I knew in real life. But the POE community has been so awesome. Everybody is super helpful every time I log on. And I'm just like, I have no idea how to do this. And everybody in the chat would just be telling me and try to teach me and try to walk me through things, which I really appreciate. And thank you, everyone's being so helpful. It's been an awesome experience. And I think that is my niche for now. I know for content creators and Twitch streamers, you kind of have to find where you excel and then move towards that direction. I think it's similar to my YouTube where I approach a lot of DIY home improvement from a beginner aspect. So same thing with the Twitch. I'm like, first time playing POE, don't know what I'm doing. And that's what motivates me to get up, like film, edit, post. If I can provide entertainment or value, someone watches how to fix my washing machine video, they're like, hey, I had the exact same F35 problem. I did what you did in the video. I was like, mission accomplished. I helped at least one person. And if the POE community finds my kind of struggling with, with the game entertaining, I feel like that's also mission accomplished. Very excited to see how all this goes. Video 338 done.